Let's start with the first posture, which is known as Bhujangasana. For this, we will lie down on our mats on our stomachs. Make sure that your feet are hip width apart. Keep your palms close to your chest and your elbows close to your rib cage. Deep breath in and lifting our head up and chest up. Now if you can straighten your arms, you can come all the way up here. But if you're finding this difficult, you can also stay here in a bent elbow position. Hold this posture for 3 counts. 1, 2 and 3. Exhale, go down. Let's do this 2 more times. Take a deep breath in. Lift your head up, chest up, come up. Make sure your shoulders are away from your ears. If you shrug your shoulders like this, it will cause a lot of strain and stiffness in the shoulder area. So make sure your shoulders are away from the ears. Hold this posture. Keep breathing deeply. 1, 2 and 3. Slowly exhale, go down. Let's repeat this one last time. Take a deep breath in. Lift your head up, chest up and come up and hold the posture for 3 counts. 1, 2 and 3. Slowly bring your head down and chest down. Place your palms one on top of the other. Relax your head over your palms in Makarasana. The 3-legged downward dog or Ekapada Adho-Mukha Shvanasana. For this, we'll start off in a tabletop position like this. We will tuck the toes in, lift our hips up, try to touch the heels to the mat. Try to push down with your palms. Now from here, lift your right leg straight up and slowly bring it down. Let's do this 2 more times with control and very slowly. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, slowly down. One more time, inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Let's repeat this with the other leg. Inhale, left leg up and exhale, down. 2. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down. One last time. Inhale, left leg up and slowly down. Go down to child's pose or balasana and relax.